Hello everyone. Let's take a look at our next problem. What is the square root of I? Okay, so this is anyone who knows much about complex numbers should understand immediately that there's going to be two answers to this. If you understand the geometry of complex numbers, how they're represented in the plane, it's pretty easy to find these two answers. That's the approach I'm going to take, I think. I'm going to sketch the plane here. I know that the number I is at this point in the plane, and the act of squaring a number will square its modulus, but double its angle with respect to the positive x-axis. And so what we need are two numbers that have a magnitude which is the square root of 1 in this case, because that's the magnitude of I, or modulus of I. And the angle corresponding to this number I is pi over 2. So the other two angles that we're looking for here are pi over 4 and whatever that number is reflected through the origin. So the two numbers that we want here are going to be located at these points in the plane, where the distance here is 1 for both of them. And the two angles, well, one angle is going to be pi over 4, like I said. And the other one is going to be pi over 4 plus pi, which I suppose comes out to be 5 pi over 4. So R1 is just going to be e to the I pi over 4. That's this number here, and we could work out what that is in terms of, if we did the cosine plus I sine representation of this complex number. We can just do this geometrically, right? We know that if we look at this right triangle here, we know the hypotenuse has a length of 1, so the other two sides have a length of 1 divided by root 2. So that's R1, and R2 is just the negative of this. Negative 1 over root 2 minus I over root 2. There's the two square roots of the number I. Thanks for watching.